Good morning. Good morning. Welcome to day 25 of our transformation manifestation run. Yesterday, we built a system. Today, we're going to do something that makes many people uncomfortable. Today's focus is make the acts. Because some of you are trying to manifest support while refusing to ask for support. You want the opportunity, but you never send the message. You want the sale, but you never take the offer. You want the collaboration, but you never reach out. You want feedback, but you never let anyone see the work. You want help, but you keep pretending you can carry everything alone. Nope. Today we are breaking that pattern because closed mouths delays open doors. Let me say that again. Closed mouth delay open doors. Sometimes the answer is not hiding from you. Sometimes it is waiting on you to ask. Ask for the meeting, for the referral, ask for the sale, ask for the review, ask for the help, ask for the resource, ask the question, and ask for the opportunity. And no, this does not mean begging. This does not mean chasing. This does not mean lowering your value. It means you respect your vision enough to open your mouth and participate in the process. So here is your day 25 assignment. Make one align, ask today. 1, send the message, post the offer, request the feedback, invite someone to support your work, ask a question that moves your plan forward. Reach out to the person you have been afraid to contact. Do it professionally. Do it clearly. Do it without over explaining. And then release the outcome. Because your job today is not to control the response. Your job is to stop hiding behind silence. So, for my community members, once your axe is sent, head to the private board and report in with this command. Done, axe, sent. And to my YouTube family, subscribe so you can keep following this challenge. And if you are ready to stop building alone and start surrounding yourself with structure, accountability, and real momentum, click the link below and join us on the inside because abundance often requires participation. Today, we act. So let's go.